Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Microsoft is putting ChatGPT on the Windows desktop. Windows 11 is going to have what's tantamount to native AI integration so that you could talk to your desktop to get your desktop to do what you want it to do. Why is this a game changer? Haven't they already done this with Cortana? This would make Cortana look like Siri. And let's face it, Siri... Wow, Microsoft really upped the game today. They kicked it up a notch, turned it up to 11, whatever you want to say. It'll be interesting to see what Apple has to announce in relation to macOS, and if they mention Siri without any changes to Siri. Wow, you want to talk about missing the mark. So effectively, what you'll be able to do is on Windows 11, rolling out soon, I believe this summer, as a matter of fact, at least summer in the Northern Hemisphere, you'll be able to type something on the desktop like, I need to do this, and then it will facilitate that particular process. Why is that a big deal? One, it's easy. Two, you may be thinking to yourself, well, Chris, I already know how to do it. You are not most Windows users. Most Windows users want to talk to their operating system, and the operating system doesn't respond. Now, imagine being able to use your natural language to ask the computer to do something that you want it to do, and then it does it. That's why it's a big deal. That's why it's a game changer. And if anything, tech support and those who have been hired to do tech support and customer service, your days are numbered.